15 to 17, I think. Because the taillights are different.
Really?
Yeah.
Bro, like,
God, this road is so bad. How can you make a road this bad? There's some unassuming people right here. Sorry, guys. Maximally annoying. I mean, maximally. I'm being annoying maxing. I'm annoying maxing, bro. Look at all these people, bro. Should I nuisance?
yes.
Maximum.
Everyone's neck just snaps.
Nuisance maxing, bro.
Oh, it's ZR1 front bumper. C7.
That is clean. That is clean, my boy.
Dude, let's go to Hustler Hollywood. I want to get you a game soon.
Bro, what even is that, bro? It's so big. Dude, if they're that big, they must sell a lot of shit.
Yeah, there's
too.
a freaky ass people going.
That is a big ass store for what they're selling. Oh my God, this guy's on my on-ramp, dude. First clip of the video, just clickbait the fuck out of people.
Oh, yeah, you got a video. Fuck.
That's a good clip, bro. That's a good clip. Windows up for now, dude. We gotta calm down. I think the Beamer's behind me. Oh shit, he is. That's him, bro. That's him.
He's getting off.
No, he's getting. Yeah.
Yeah, and he's speeding off. He's speeding up too.
Dude, we gotta.
He wants to play, bro.
Oh, he wants it, bro. All right.
M4 versus.
You hear the turbos? Yo!
It's stinky, bro.
I can smell it. That's like oil, dude. Like going from the Brian G down to this one sucks at, like it's so bad. It's so bad.
Yeah.
And on E85, your low end torque kicks in way sooner.
Why are you running it again?
Emissions. I'm trying to pass my emissions.
Yeah. Why are you getting off? Oh, my car.
Make it UE, yeah. Damn, dude. Well, almost died, and then I guess we ran into that guy. That's fucking cool. I need to get a quick video over here, POV video. We gotta rewatch us almost dying. That was crazy. That was the guy in the truck probably shit his pants, dude. Oh my god.
I don't understand how people just do not look, bro.
Yeah.
Again, it is objectively stupid to be flying through the middle lane, going like passing people going like 120.
Yeah.
But
I
like,
agree.
bro just didn't look. He just wasn't looking.
Yep.
Like it was a straightaway. Like he could have easily seen you if you looked. He just was not looking, bro. So annoying.
Someone in the comments is gonna go, bro, stop trying to defend yourself, dude. But it's like, still, you know what I mean? All right, here we go. It's recording. I'm gonna roll through here real quick. Hold up.
Oh, it's a group maybe.
Oh, you trying to race or what? You wanna run it?
Yeah, hell yeah.
What kind of bike?
Gixxer 1K.
Oh, I'm fucked. Okay. No, call it off. Call it off.
That's new, huh? Right? You were on the 600, weren't you?
Yeah, I had 600.
Hell yeah, dude.
Fuck,
I got
dude.
the 1K now.
Fuck yeah, dude. Let's go.
1K, I don't know. You have to give me like a hit in like 100 cars.
ZX6R.
Is it tuned?
No, stock ZX636.
I ran a ZX6R, but it was tuned, but I was on E85. I'm on 93 now.
What about 440, 340?
340.
Full bolt on?
It's stage 2, but it's only on 93.
I'm on 93 right now too. I'll run that. You wanna run it?
Run it.
Right now?
Do it. Yeah, I'm gassing up.
All right, bro, let's go.
Wait for my boy because he's coming too.
We have to do a 60 roll though,
Okay, that's cool.
because my tires are just not
Yeah,
good.
mine are pretty cooked too.
Yeah, we'll do a 60.
All right,
I'll
bet.
park up. You wanna go to the back?
Sure.
Back of 7-Eleven?
I don't care. Let's do it.
Bet, bro. Awesome. Sounds good. Okay, dude. I want to make this very clear for the video. I'm on a Lund 93 tune. If I lose to that thing, Lund Racing, you're fucking trash. Well, we already know they're trash.
Yeah.
But like, come on now. I can't be losing to a 440.